Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to use the TradingView website and demonstrate a great trading indicator that predicts the future. And I want to say right away that binary options are not a money-making button. So, educate yourself, develop in this field, and work on your emotions, as they play a very important role in trading, and then you will be able to earn as much as you want. To help you get started in trading, I invite you to join my team, because our partners receive daily signals in the morning and evening, training that is not available on YouTube, and personal recommendations from me. We look forward to having you in our team. You will find all the links in the description below this video. So friends, before we move on to the indicator, I want to briefly talk about the TradingView website. This is one of the best websites for technical analysis. Here you will find a lot of indicators. How to use this site? First, you simply type TradingView into any search engine on Google. The name will appear on your screens. Then you go to this site, register. It's a very quick registration, very simple. I want to say right away that you don't need any subscriptions. You can use it for free. All these indicators are available for free, but there is a limited number. You can use at one time with a subscription. They have their own conditions and you can read about them. If you like it, you can buy a subscription. How to use this site. Here we see the name of the currency pair, or any other cryptocurrency, stock, and so on. This is its chart. Here is the euro dollar, and here is our chart of the euro dollar. To add a currency pair, cryptocurrency, or anything else, simply click on the plus sign and type it into the search. Here is Bitcoin, and here is Bitcoin dollar. We are interested in currency pairs. Let's go to pocket option. As we can see, the charts match. The pocket option euro dollar chart and the chart on TradingView. The charts on TradingView are always accurate. Let's switch to any currency pair, not OTC. OTC refers to pairs from the exchange itself. You can never analyze on OTC and TradingView. We look at pairs without OTC. Let's say the currency pair. Cut GPY. Let's go to TradingView. Here we simply type in cut GPY. And we simply click on the first line. We just click. Our chart has been added here. And let's take a look. The charts match. Now let me tell you about the indicator that predicts the future. But there are some nuances, so I recommend watching the video until the end. First of all, we will have a contest. I will explain all the contest details at the end, and you will see all the nuances of this indicator. So to find this indicator, we type the echo in the search. Here it is already in my favorites. We just click on it, and it is automatically added to our chart. So, let's move on to pocket option. I recommend setting the time like this. We can toggle this checkbox, meaning a fixed time of 1 minute, or until what time our trade will be open. Because we will be looking at this blue line, which shows the approximate price movement, and at the bottom, we see the time. Let's focus on this time. So, in this situation, we will not enter, because we see that the situation is ambiguous and controversial. We could have potentially entered from the top, because we have a slanted resistance level. Let's find another currency pair and make our first trade on it. So friends, let's get into this situation. We see that after a brief downward movement, an upward movement is expected. That is, we will enter. We see that until 11:32, there was a brief downward movement. I suggest entering out USD until 32 minutes. To buy a. Also, friends, don't forget that when you register on Pocket Option using my link, you receive a bonus of 50% on your deposit. If you top up your account with $100, you will receive $150 in your deposit. You will find the link in the description below this video. The amount is $100. So, let me explain a nuance related to this indicator. The nuance is that you shouldn't blindly enter based on this blue line. You need to analyze the chart a little. I saw that we had a significant area of resistance, a fairly substantial local area of resistance. I entered at this point with $100. If the price had continued to move, I would have entered somewhere around here, and the indicator shows that the price will reverse. I see from the support area that the price will reverse, and only in that case do I enter a buy position. As we can see, I entered at quite a good point. The price is currently at the top. Yes, it may still drop because the support area allows for that. If necessary, I will take a follow-up position of $200. Let me speed up the video a bit and I will return when the trade is finished. So, we have literally 10 seconds left until the end of our trade. The trade turned out to be quite risky, I agree. The price came very close, but we made a profit, and that's the first point. Secondly, the reason this trade was risky is that we see everything trending downwards, and it was declining because there is a fairly large area of support. Because of this, the price could still drop lower. As we can see, the price could have dropped further to this level. If this trade had gone into the negative, I would have taken a follow-up trade from this level. Let's find another situation to enter, and I will show you once again how to enter using this indicator. Friends, look at the situation with the euro-dollar. There was a very good downward impulse. The forecast for an upward movement touched the area of support. This is a great situation to enter for 50 minutes on the upside. I am entering with $100. Look at how I analyze this situation. This will be like this. This is our area of support. The main area of support. As we can see, the main price reversal occurred here. The price reversal happened at this point. The price reversed at this point, significantly touching the area of support, and here we reached the very bottom. The forecast for such a sharp price movement closely resembles this situation, which is why I entered a buy position. We are looking slightly above our entry point. In other words, we do not enter blindly based on this forecast. We only enter based on careful and thorough technical analysis. It's like our help. He simply gives us hints and we analyze it ourselves. And look how well the price has gone up. 2 green candles right away. Let's speed up the video. I'll be back towards the end. So friends, we see that the trade closed in profit. For some reason, the notification didn't pop up, but you saw for yourselves that the trade closed in profit, and we also have a profit on the balance. Yes, friends, the balance shows $100 less, because I accidentally entered a 1-minute trade before this, and lost $100. But this is entirely my mistake. It is not the indicator's fault. I accidentally entered for 1 minute. Therefore, excluding the $100, we are in profit. I suggest we wrap up here. All the screenshots of the trades and our final profit, excluding my mistake, will now appear on the screen. I show everything as it is. Everyone makes mistakes, and let's say a few words about the competition. I will raffle off $200 to the first 500 subscribers. The chances of winning are very high compared to other bloggers. And to participate, you just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my open Telegram channel. And please write in the comments how many winners you would like. 1 who will receive $200, 2 who will receive $100 each, or 4 who will receive $50 each. Wishing everyone successful trading and goodbye.